The Lancet Oncology recently published an IAEA-ACC study on accelerated radiotherapy regimen for squamous cell carcinoma of the head and neck to coincide with Professor Burkart's opening plenary lecture at the Asian Oncology Summit 2010. The study showed that shortening radiotherapy treatment time is a feasible and more effective alternative to standard radiotherapy for head and neck cancers, particularly in resource-limited countries in the developing world. Yin Ong from Elsevier, Singapore, interviews Professor Burkart for his comments on the significance of these findings.
As a first, the product of this so-called coordinated research project, that's a mechanism we have in the IAEA that we bring together scientists from all over the world to work on a similar topic. And from Asia here we have people from Pakistan, 2 groups from India. Here this group showed to apply a new development in radiation therapy, which was considered maybe too expensive in an area where there are not as many resources as in the West, where this is applied since several years. And the finding is very important in showing there is a difference. There's a better outcome, a higher survival rate for patients undergoing the new fractionation. And secondly, it could also show that it can be done in lower resource settings, that it didn't overwhelm the local resources, that it was practically done with the same costs. And let's face it, this is also a very important point. It has to be affordable. It has to be robust, has to be affordable, and that's where the IAEA wants to make a difference. You know, the industry can always sell you the most expensive machinery for diagnostics and for therapy, where we try to help that we find the kind of robust equipment, the right education, the right training, the right quality assurance, that it can also be done with the available resources, which are big differences also here in Asia.